In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clickup with Slack. This integration is a game changer for improving your team's workflow and communication efficiency. By connecting Clickup and Slack, you can streamline task updates and notifications, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Let's dive right in and set up this powerful integration. First, you'll want to ensure you have the necessary permissions within both Clickup and Slack. Make sure you're logged into your Clickup account and have access as an admin or the required permission level to make changes. Similarly, check that you have the appropriate credentials for your Slack workspace. Once you're all set with permissions, you're ready to proceed. Open Clickup in your web browser. Navigate to the lower left corner of the screen where you'll find your settings. Click on this and look for the Integrations tab. Click on Integrations and a list of available options will appear. Scroll through until you find Slack or use the search bar to make it easier. Select Slack and you'll be prompted to connect your Slack account to Clickup. In this step, you'll authorize Clickup to access your Slack workspace. Click the Connect to Slack button, which will redirect you to the Slack authorization page. Here, you'll be asked to authorize Clickup's access to your workspace. Carefully review the requested permissions before proceeding, and once satisfied, click Allow. This step is crucial as it establishes the communication link between the two platforms securely. After authorizing, you'll be redirected back to Clickup. Next, you'll need to choose the specific workspace in Clickup that you want to connect to your Slack channel. Select the appropriate workspace from the drop-down list. This ensures that task updates and notifications are channeled to the relevant team or project group, rather than cluttering unrelated conversations. Now, decide which Slack channel you'd like the Clickup notifications to appear in. Go back to Slack and create a dedicated channel if you don't already have one set up. Having a separate channel for Clickup updates is beneficial as it helps keep your workspace organized. Once you've decided on the channel, return to Clickup and specify this channel during the integration setup. Finally, you'll select the types of notifications you wish to receive. Options might include task creations, completions, comments, or any changes made within Clickup tasks. Tailor the notifications to suit the needs of your team, so you are only alerted to the updates that matter most. This customization will help prevent notification fatigue and keep your team focused. After setting everything up, make sure to test the integration. Create a test task or update an existing one in Clickup to ensure that your Slack channel receives the notification. If everything is working smoothly, you have successfully integrated Clickup with Slack. Your team is now ready to benefit from streamlined updates and enhanced collaboration across these two platforms. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Clickup with Slack. This integration will undoubtedly boost your team's productivity by ensuring fluid communication and task management. Thank you for watching, and be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions.